Hey, and welcome to another video in the Mastering JavaScript series. In this video, we're going to take a look into another 5 array methods, and they are shift, unshift, concat, slice, and splice. Understanding each use cases. If you missed part 1, link in the description, which consists of push, pop, find, isArray, and sum. Without anything else, let's get started with the first one. The shift method in JavaScript uses it to remove the first element from array and return the removed element. Additionally, it modifies the original array by removing the element, which also results in the array length being decreased by 1. This method works like pop method, which removes element from an array. The key difference is the pop methods remove the last element, while shift removes the first element. In the easy example, we have an array of colors, and we use a shift to remove the first color, which is red. The removed color is stored in the variable, and then the array is updated, contain only green and blue. In this advanced example, we have a custom function called processQueue that takes an array of tasks. It continuously processes tasks from the queue using a shift until the queue is empty. This function simulates advanced processing for each task. When we call a function with the array, which removes and processes tasks from the front of the queue until there are no tasks left, showing how the shift method can be used in more complex scenarios, such as managing task queues and processing data in a specific order. The Unshift method in JavaScript uses it to add one or more specific element to the beginning of the array and return new length of the array after adding those elements. It modifies the original array by adding elements to the front. This method works the same as the push method, which adds a new element to the array. The main distinction is that the push method appended to the end of the array, while the unshift added to the beginning. In this easy example, we have an array of colors, and we use unshift red to add a color red to the beginning of the colors array. It's return a new length of the array and updated the original array to be red, green, and blue. In this advanced example, we have a custom function called merge arrays that take two arrays and merge them using unshift method. When we call the function with the array arguments, it effectively merges those two arrays and resulting one merged one. This example shows how unshift method can be used in more complex scenarios, such as combining arrays in a specific order. The concat method in JavaScript uses it to merge two or more arrays together. It doesn't modify the existing arrays, but instead it returns a new array containing the concatenated elements of the original arrays. In this easy example, we have two arrays, fruits 1 and fruits 2, which represent a different set of fruits. We use the concat method to combine these arrays into one. As a result, we get a new array that contains all the fruits from both original arrays. In this advanced example, we have a custom function called merge arrays that accepts a variable number of arrays using a separate operator. Inside the function, we use the concat to merge all the arrays into a single array and return the result. When we call a function merge arrays with a list of arrays, it effectively combines the element from all arrays into one. This example shows how the concat method can be used to merge a variety of number of arrays together. The slice method in JavaScript uses it to extract a shallow copy of portion of an array into a new array. This copy is selected based on the start and the end indices provided as argument. Something to clarify that the end index is not included and the original array is not modified. Slice returns a new array with a selected element. In this easy example, we have an array of numbers and we use a slice from 1 to 4 to extract portion of our array, starting from index 1 and ending just before index 4. It returns a new array containing all the selected elements. The original array remains the same. In this advanced example, we have a function that takes array and number n. It returns a new array containing the top n numbers from the input array. This function uses the slice method to achieve this. When we call this function with the items array and 3, to extract the top 3 items from the items array. This example shows how to use the slice method in more complex scenarios, such as retrieving specific numbers of items from a list. The final method in this video is the splice method. In JavaScript, use it to modify the contents of the array by removing or replacing the existing element or adding a new element in place. It provides a flexible way to edit arrays in various ways. Let's say that we have an array of colors and we use the splice with 2 and 2 as argument, which means that we can remove 2 elements starting from index 2. The removed elements are saved in a variable and the original array is updated. Another example, we can create a function called insert_element_at_index that takes array, index, and element. This function uses splice to insert a specific element at a given index without removing any elements. When we call the function with the arguments, it inserts number 3 at index 2 in the numbers array. This shows how the splice method can be used for more complex operations, such as inserting element at specific position in an array. Thank you for taking time to explore the concept of shift, unshift, concat, slice, and splice with me. I hope you found these examples and explanation helpful in understanding. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos and content. See you in the next one.